we can tell from the seed heads that it's a bromus because we're familiar with it. But what we're starting to do this year is a grasslands survey. We're going to map and characterize a lot of our grasslands. And so getting started on that, we're looking at the vegetative parts of the grasses. And we don't have a good collection in the herbarium. So I am going to collect some of this bromus. And I've gone down and I've collected the roots. The key thing about a grass collection is you don't want to do what they call a top snatch. Top snatch, that's like a horrible thing. That means you come in and you've gone boop, and you pulled off all the good bits that you think are good bits, and then you get back to key it out. And the first thing it says is it annual or perennial? Is it rhizomatous or is it cespitous? And you think, man, I needed the roots. So I've got the roots and I've got the leaves. And the leaves, the thing I'm excited about for the vegetative identification is this little bit where the leaf joins the stem. There's a tiny little structure called a ligule. And the ligule is not 100% for doing an identification, but if you know that in this area we had bromus carinatus last year, and you know that this ligule is associated with a brome grass, you can be pretty sure that it's going to be that bromus carinatus. And so we can just inform it, we can take it back and compare it with the herbarium specimen that we have. So you need a good location. We used to carry around GPS devices. I got one in my pack, but now, honestly, pretty much anything you ever need is on your phone. So either by taking a photograph or by using this app that we like to use called Theodolite, we record the location. And we've got tags or labels that we fill out. And they want you to know species, common name, date of location. Well, maybe you don't know that because you have to identify it. But date, location, collector's name, location with coordinates, or 100 feet from the intersection, or whatever you can use to describe your location works. Because of course, GPS and lat-long coordinates are only a relatively recent phenomenon. Sometimes we record population size, habitat. We're under coast live oak, and any other information we might want to add. So I'm not filling it out right now, but I'll stick this in, because I didn't bring my pencil up here, but I'll stick it in with the plant. So there we've got the plant. We know where we got it, who collected it. We can take it back to the herbarium, and then that's part of the process that I think you've either seen or will see in the herbarium.